Good morning, students. Now I am reading chapter number 2 of geography. Now all of you see page number 11. Today's paragraph is conservation of land resources. Growing population and their ever-growing demand has led to a large-scale destruction of forest cover and arable. Not underline arable. Arable means here suitable for cultivation. Means we can say the land where we can do cultivation, means we can use for agriculture purpose. After we can say the by plowing etc., by tilling. So such land is called arable land and has created a fear of losing these natural resources. Now here we have to understand how to conserve our land resource. Growing population means day by day our population is growing and their ever growing demand, and as per the growing population, now people's demand also day by day growing. So it led means growing population as well as the growing people's demand, both of them, it led to a large scale destruction of forest. So we need to clear the forest. Why? Because we have to cultivate, we have to grow our food crops as per our demands. So day by day we are clearing the forest. So as a result we can see the destruction of forest cover and arable land. Now land, we are disturbing land also day by day because of using more and more chemicals and fertilizers etc., has created a fear of losing these natural resources. So we can say that because of our increasing demand as well as the more use of the chemicals, fertilizers etc., so it can be damaged what our natural resources. So land can be damaged. Now all of you see the page number 12. I am reading this paragraph, this one. Therefore the present rate of degradation of land means our lands degradation of land means the quality of land day by day reducing. So the present rate of degradation of land must be checked. So we have to check our rank of the land, we can say the quality of the land, we have to check time to time. Afforestation means we have to do the, we can say the plantations, developing our creating forest, developing our forest. Land reclamation, now here underline reclamation. Reclamation means recover, we have to recover our land. Regulate use of chemical pesticides, so we have to control our control on our use of chemical pesticides and fertilizers. And checks on overgrazing are some of the common methods used to conserve land resources. So by using these methods, so we can conserve our one of the important resource, which is the land. Now here you can read yourself landslides, a case study, as well as the, we can say the whatever the remaining paragraph, this one, what is this, mitigation mechanism, you can read yourself. Now after that we have to understand, we have to read soil. The thin layer of grainy substance covering the surface of the earth is called soil. So what is soil? The meaning of soil: the soil means the thin layer of grainy substance. Here grainy means containing sand particles, covering the surface of the earth, so it is called the soil. It is closely linked to land. So soil which is we can soil we can see or we can find where very closely to the land. Landforms determine the types of soil. So we have to understand, we have to read the types of soil also. So landforms means which type of the land, it determines the types of soil. Soil is made up of organic matter. Soil is made by the organic matter, minerals and withered rocks found on the earth. Here withered rock means destructive rocks. So soil is made up by these things, one of the organic matter, minerals and withered rocks found on the earth. This happens through the process of withering. So the soil which is made up by all these things, how? By the process. Which process? The process of withering. The right mix of minerals and organic matter make the soil fertile. So how the soil becomes fertile? Because of the mix of minerals, proper mix of minerals and organic matter. Here you can see the figure number 2.3, soil profile. Topsoil with humus and vegetation. Subsoil with sand, silt and clay. Weathered rock material, parent rock. Now you can read and you can draw the figure number 2.3 also, soil profile. Now next paragraph, factors of soil formation, we will read in next clip.